Welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about alternate interior angles and we'll go through two examples in finding them, so let's dive in. So alternate interior angles are congruent, meaning same angle measure if and only if there's two parallel lines with a transversal. So here we do indeed have two parallel lines as evidenced by these symbols. These mean that the lowest two lines are parallel, and the transversal is the other line. It's a line that crosses through both the parallel lines, so it's that purple one. Now, alternate interior means that one is to the left of the transversal and one is to the right of the transversal. So in this case, this one here is to the left of the transversal, and this one here is to the right of the transversal. And the word interior comes from the fact that they are inside these two lines, rather than exterior, which would be outside of these two lines, the two parallel lines. So in this case, we have two parallel lines and our transversal. And we do indeed have two alternate interior angles. So what do we know about them? We know they're congruent, meaning they're the same measure. And since the measure of that first one up there is 30, that means the measure of the other one, x, is also equal to 30 degrees as well. Let's try a more complex example. So once again, we have our two parallel lines and we have our transversal. So therefore, x plus 20 must equal to 2x plus 10. So therefore, I need to subtract 20 from both sides. These cancel, and I am left with x is equal to 2x minus 10. Then I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides, and then we're going to get negative x is equal to negative 10. Then, if I divide both sides by negative 1, I get that x is equal to 10. So that's my answer for finding x, is that x is 10. Now they'd like us to find the missing angle. Now we can sub in 10 into either of these equations, and either way we should get the same number. So if we sub 10 into the x equals 20, or x plus 20 rather, we're going to get 10 plus 20, which is 30. So therefore the missing angle is 30 degrees. So missing angle is equal to 30 degrees. And note that had we done this to the other one, to the 2x plus 10, we would have got 2 times 20, or sorry, 2 times 10 rather, to get to 20, plus 10 would also give us 30. And so either way, we would get 30 for the missing angle. And that's further proof to us that we are correct, because we are supposed to get the same thing either way. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave those in the comment section, and we'll see you for the next one.